The Kalorik MAXX Digital Air Fryer Oven is an all-in-one kitchen appliance designed to simplify your cooking experience. It's more affordable than you expect, so make sure to check the price in the description below. With 10 versatile functions, it can air fry, bake, roast, toast, and more, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of meals with ease. This powerful air fryer oven features Turbo MAXX technology, which ensures ultra-fast cooking performance. You can cook your meals up to 37% faster than traditional ovens, saving you valuable time. Additionally, it's energy efficient, consuming up to 77% less energy than conventional ovens, which makes it a smart choice for eco-conscious households. Whether you're preparing crispy French fries, savory steaks, or a family-sized meal, the Kalorik MAXX offers 21 smart presets to deliver perfect results every time. The intuitive digital interface makes it easy to select your desired cooking mode, ensuring every meal is cooked to perfection. The large 26-quart capacity is perfect for families or multi-person households. You can easily fit a 14-pound turkey, a 12-inch pizza, or up to 9 slices of toast in the spacious cavity. With multiple rack levels, you can cook different foods simultaneously, saving you even more time in the kitchen. Included with the Kalorik MAXX is a versatile set of 9 accessories, including an air frying basket, baking tray, air rack, crumb tray, and more. These tools expand your cooking possibilities, helping you create a variety of dishes with ease. Plus, you'll get a bonus cookbook filled with easy-to-follow recipes to inspire your next meal. If you're looking for an appliance that combines convenience, speed, and energy savings, the Kalorik MAXX Digital Air Fryer Oven is the perfect addition to your kitchen. It's affordable, versatile, and packed with features that make cooking simpler and faster for any home chef. Don't forget to check out the price in the description below.